Hey everyone, my mom is coming to visit next week, so I am spending the weekend cleaning.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Saturday morning here. Elle just woke up. I am getting ready to do a whole house weekend cleaning because my mom is coming into town next week. So just sit back and follow along. Hopefully this will be some good weekend motivation for you.
But first, coffee.
Feels like time is going faster than it seems. We were just two kids who were trying to live the teenage dream.
So I'm starting the day with a load of laundry. Get that going before we get everything else started.
Remember every weekend we stayed out late and then went home to me. I wish that I could live that dream again. Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break
All right, moving on to the kitchen. Seems like everything ends up on our island. When people walk through the door, they just kind of drop everything right there. So, gonna get that cleaned up.
I'm looking at an old picture of you. Skinny jeans and blue eyes that could light up every room. Guess they still do. We used to talk all night about how we thought life was gonna be. I told you it'd be alright as long as I could have you next to me. I wish that I could live that dream again. Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me.
Okay, so when I clean my sink, I try to get all the little bits off the bottom. And then I like to sprinkle in some baking soda, a little bit of dish cleaner, and then let it sit for about 10 minutes.
I wish that I could live that dream again. Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby.
So while I'm letting that sit, I'm going to clean off my countertops and then go back and rinse out all the baking soda and the soap.
Baby, it was.
Next, I like to add a couple drops of essential oils to the sink drain just to help get rid of any extra smell. So y'all, our basement was a disaster. The kids made a fort and had all of their toys everywhere. So this one took a few minutes.
Feels like time is going faster than it seems. We were just two kids who were trying to live the teenage dream. We could see no reason why we should ever try to go to sleep. Remember every weekend we stayed up late and then went home to me. I wish that I could live that dream again. 'Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me. Said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me. Baby, it was 'Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, and nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me. Baby, it was, baby, it was.
Okay, so as you can see, this is the guest room and it's still a mess. So that's what we're gonna work on. We're actually gonna take a quick trip to Home Goods, I think, and see if we can find another comforter and some new sheets for the bed. And we're gonna hang up some.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet.
So I got some new sheets, a new blanket, but I couldn't find a comforter that I liked. I also picked up some fresh towels and a shower curtain liner because I couldn't find one at home. And so I got the bed ready. I need to still hang up the painting, and I think everything will be ready for my mom. Yay!
Wanna move my feet.